words. So if we have a big number like this, we need to figure out how to write that into words. Okay, so the first thing you need to remember is your place value. Okay, so how does that look? So these are the ones, this is the tens, this is the hundreds, this is the thousands, this is the 10,000s, and this is the 100,000s. So the best way to do this is to use a chart to help you write out the numbers. So you could take this chart. I also have this chart in my ebook. So if you download the ebook, you'll be able to have this with you all the time. Okay? And then it'll make it easier for you to write out any number. So here we have 100,000. So this is called 100,000. This is how this part of it looks, 100,000. Okay, then we have, here we have the 10,000s and we have a 9 there. So it's going to be 90,000. Then here the 2 is in the thousands spot. So that's going to be 2,000. And then the 4 is in the hundred spot, so that would be 400. And then the 1 is in the tens, so that's going to be 10. And then we have nothing in the ones, so we don't need to worry about that. So this is how it would look. 100, so this is the 100, and 92,000. This is the 92,000. So 192,000, comma, 410. 410. And that's it. That's how you do that kind of problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra help. As well, you could download the ebook, as I said. And in the ebook, you could follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. There's a link in there. You can click on it and get to the video at any time. Thank you so much for listening, and please remember to like and subscribe.